Can you hear it now?
Alright, please don't run away and die, please.
No, that's you, my friend. Stay with me, my friend. I'll keep you safe up there.
Where's all the people just run over here, bro? Oh, why are you shooting at me, bro? You never kill me.
Aiden, calm down. Come here, baby.
Somebody deserted on my mind down there. There's on the
Drop down.
Jaden!
There's two there.
Sit the heck up.
Coming down.
Play-Doh up here. Bring the Play-Doh down.
I'm down with you.
Jaden, stop whining.
I'm ready.
No one likes a whiner.
Shit. On me.
Shot it.
Right there.
Is it dry or trash? It looks dry. Let me see it.
Oh,
Drop down.
there's two teams.
What?
Yeah, I got what the fuck? The train is on your area right now?
How's the flavor on it? Is it eat something?
All of you are gonna die.
First guy should not have downed me.
What? Play with it. I don't care. Go ahead.
Well, some of the husbands probably don't get on there, so the wives probably recreate it.
Alright, nobody's ready.
Hey, give that to me. It's going in the fucking trash. Give it to me. Now. Dad?
Alright, it's right there. Kill him, kill him. He's on the fire. Hey! Oh! It's still there. It's still there today.
You pushing Lodi?
Yeah. This motherfucker shooting at me. I picked up the wrong guy. There's a guy shooting at me. What's up? We cool with you then?
Maybe you can go some cheese on the tater
Yeah,
tots.
we can.
You throw some cheese on the tater tots?
Are they crispy, babe?
I'll bring you one, baby.
Oh, where the fuck is
Zayden, hush it.
he? He's still down there.
They go flying on top.
Stop! Yeah, smack the shit out of you.
Rat!
Trick me.
Rat!
So we have to throw cheese on them while they're in there.
No, not while they're in there.
Come down with me.
They down over there.
How the fuck I never see somebody down?
My airstrike got them.
Yeah, you tripping, bro. Are you serious or are you playing with me? You're playing with me too much, bro. Buy a UAV or something then. I'm going up for it. I'm gonna buy a loadout because I got the wrong lady.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Hey, why are you hearing somebody? I'm just tripping. Get out of there, bro, please. I don't want to get sniped.
Maybe you can find it. I don't know where it is.
UAV pop. Looks like they're all up there.
Come on, let's push.
Hey,
I
give me
need
your
it,
money.
too.
We don't have to push. We're
Huh?
still... What to? Give me your money, please. Damn, give me your money, please.
What do you want my money for?
For a coaster or something. Yeah, one is on the tank, so take your time. Let them fight. Alright, let's go, bro. Yeah, you gone already. Damn. We're gonna go to the boat. Yeah, let's go to the boat and snipe them over there. Let's do that shit. There's people over here, though. They're fighting. Oh shit, that's all. Watch out, watch out. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He sniped me.
No more second chance.
Oh shit. Choose to be a sniper, bro. Nigga trying to buy his teammates, bro.
He still sniping. He fucked me up.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Hit that buy. I had an airstrike too. Get my precision on my body. Yo, go hit that buy.
Wait, he's shooting at me,
I'll
damn.
get you, bro.
Oh my god.
Bro. Bro, I gotta carry you all the time.
Bro, man. I always carry you, bro. Chirping.
Wheels up and moving, soldier.
yourself a body Hey, Florida. People right next to us. Hey, prick! I'm sorry, fellas. Oh, you got it. That's all it is. Nice. You survived. Who got you, bro? Hey, wake up, Dom. What the fuck? Nigga just stand there like Statue of Liberty, bro. You tripping, bro. I was in the middle of the fight. You just stand there, bro. You crazy. Going for our Lordy right now. Dom.
Safe zone. Gas is inbound. Loadout drop headed your way.
People going down there. People down there. Stronghold. Tom, I cannot hear you, bro.
I'm trying to get to Lodi, bro.
Alright, get up here, bro.
You couldn't hear me because I wasn't talking weak, nigga.
Oh fucking man, he got 0 kills, bro. Hey, I'm shooting
Somebody
them.
gonna come
Break,
up on
break, break. I wanna go there. Can we go there? Hey, one is right there, bro.
Shit. About to kill myself with the rocket.
They're on me.
Where you going?
I'm looking for these two motherfuckers next to us. Alright, fuck it, let's go back. Somebody just landed again. Oh, there's a lot on control. I want to get a kill. Alright, let's go stop the people in Stronghold.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Over there. One is staying car. Oh, he's on the zip line. Here he comes. Damn, I break him.
Larry done jumped down and shit, bro.
Enemy UAV is online.
Why is he so light?
Yeah, that's what he's playing a game with me. Roblox. He's not getting it out. Zayden, calm down.
Where'd you get hit from?
Control.
You're redeploying. There's no one behind.
Yeah, I got killed in control and I'm still coming back. Same where I died at.
Only 10 left.
And baby,
Enemy UAV overhead.
cover.
Hostile UAV in.
Come on me, on me.
Yeah, motherfucker's sniping me right now, bro. Hey, they're on me, bro. Yes!
I told you it was coming.
Alright, buy me right now. Go, 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 go.
Hello.
I tried, bro. They fucking follow me. What the fuck?
The enemy lost track of you.
That's the
Good
same
work
damn
down there.
gun, bro.
You're
I'm
redeployed.
tired of firing on that gun so much.
Where they at?
I think they went back.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
It's there, they're there.
You're the last one standing.
I don't know why I kept missing.
Survive until your squad can redeploy.
Don't die. They coming.
Yeah,
Go up.
motherfucker hiding over there, bro. Different team. Yo, pussy, bro.
Window is ending. Watch your six.
Oh, you trying to dance and shit? I mean, cute. You know what I mean? He didn't do shit. I mean, he didn't do shit. Didn't do shit. I have to run. Somebody was trying.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
We both only had a shotgun. He
Damn,
across
bro.
the map died. At least you see me shooting like a man. What happened to me?
If I don't play all day, you think it's good.
That's
Yeah,
my
baby.
favorite part.
Well, baby.
Yeah.
Are you done?
You say Bato?
You done or something?
One more. No. You can't stop dying. Turn around, you calling for help, talking about, oh, they owe me. You know what I mean? I'm gonna start giving you the number to the quicker. No, he be dying, taking off dying every now. He's like, I want to get killed, then he's go out and be getting killed.
Enemies are dropping into the area.
I'm trying to get direct hits. I don't know how many I got, I couldn't see. But...
Resurgence. Fucking hell, stay alive to keep the squad. Mark the drop off your squad and go get after it.
Give me the money.
Friendly loadout drops on.
Still alive.
In the safe zone. Gas is closing in. Enemy soldier incoming. Five are left. Stay sharp out.
Got movement. Mark attack found a field upgrade. Mark target.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Let's go, soldier.
Oh no, I ain't gonna listen to that.
We've got a loadout drop inbound.
What is that sound, bro?
Huh?
Why we have to hear that sound? There's a what the fuck? That's like
He said, "Why we gotta hear that sound?"
oh,
Was it TV? He said, "What is that sound? Why do we gotta?" What's wrong with you, bro?
You crazy, man.
I got a team right here.
Alright. Watch out, bro. There's a lot.
Come out. What do you mean? I know.
I'm shooting at them, bro.
He said, he said, there's more than one. He said, I know it's duos.
Yeah, you're gonna die. I see the way you're hiding right now. One is coming.
Man, where you at, bro?
I'm telling you, bro. It's not a good time to make
Man,
a
what do you
move.
mean? Yeah.
Target's gone.
Let me come back. You kill by some weak niggas and some tents. Hide and shit.
Securing contract timeline. Back on station. Good work.
Shoot the hell out, bro. Nobody tell you to go over there, bro.
Yeah. Got killed by a couple weak niggas and some tents, bro. And you still over here hiding, bro. I'm done with you.
Get this gun, bro. Yeah, you get it? No, it's fall down.
Yeah,
It's
I'm
right
going
there.
back and I'm getting my gun.
Right there, bro. It's on the bottom.
Ooh.
The gun.
Motherfucker, I'm yelling at me.
No, the gun.
Your squad.
Alright, I'm gone. I don't want the gun.
Alright, man. That's another date right there, bro. I'ma try and
Oh,
check
wow.
out the area though.
Well, my screen's so
Alright, I'm
hazy.
going. You know what? I'm going.
Why my screen like that? Is your screen like that?
What?
Screen's like hazy and slow and shit.
Oh, it's clear and ready. My screen is clear and ready.
Wait, what's wrong? I don't know. Something's going on. Something's going on, bro.
Why? What happened?
I don't know.
Like it's dark?
Yeah, it got a little darker now. My screen feel like it's just moving in slow motion and shit. I don't know, bro. Okay. I can't run. Yeah, my shit fucked up anyway. I don't know, bro.
Oh, you thought you gonna kill me?
My shit fucking out.
Squad mates have redeployed. Well done. Mission's over. Returning to normal operations.
Watch out, another one just landed. Oh my god, there's two! You gotta run.
Alright, bro. I gotta
Alright,
make some runs and shit. I'm gonna jump on later.
Alright. I'll be playing.